Croeso i'r stream. Gobeithio chi'n cadw'n iawn. Talk the big game. Now can I deliver? F1 Manager 22. Dwi heb i hyd oed dechrau'r gem. Dwi o'r cychwyn. Lle hyn ond fod yn hawdd. Ond hawdd. Dwi pwrpasol heb di chwarae fo heddiw. Tan wan. Croeso pob. Formula 1.
Helo?
Panad cryf. Ai, dangan panad cryf i the high risk world of F1.
22 is set to be even better. New regulations will usher in an age of pioneering changes. New driving talent alongside returning champions will be dueling it out to the bitter end. The pressure will be on the team principals in the upcoming season as they manage their drivers, their cars, and the whole team to push to victory. This is not a challenge for the faint-hearted. This is Formula 1.
This is Formula 1. Let's go.
Mercedes returned to F1 in 2010, and since 2014 they've won the Constructors' Championship back-to-back every year. In 2021 they took home the Constructors' Championship.
You're missing it one off.
Although they narrowly missed on the Drivers' Championship, coming in second.
Ooh.
Heading into 2022, Mercedes will insist on dominating the competition.
Podium fod.
And the fastest car in the
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ydw i'n gallu hyn.
the outcome they want to see.
Ydw i'n gallu neud hyn.
New season and beyond.
Ydy machine fi yn gallu handle fi chydag F1 22 manager a marbles on stream. Let's have a look. Ydy hwn yn mynd i chwalu PC fi? A gadael y music yma fynd, ond ein newid hwn. Okay. Dwi rioed i wneud yn hyn o blaen. Sut dwi'n wneud ras? Race. Standard. Standard. Viewer to simulated. Viewer os llai adio. Sim 10. Okay. Sut ydw i... O, allan newid enw hein. O'n i'n gweithio os gallu newid enw hein. Yeah. Whoa, I got 1440p, mate. Main menu, confirm. Oh my god. Ydych ysbryd hwnna? Dwi'n mwyn ti'n gwneud lot o hwnna, dwi'n mwyn hwnna. Reis. Dwi'n eisiau weighted yma, guys. Standard. Hei, do bedan ti iawn? Di ffordd gorau fynd i hyn, mam. Rename marbles. Simulation. Reese. Settings. Simulation settings. Okay. Red Bull. Ferrari. Mercedes. Alpine. Alpha. Pass. Alpha. Alpha Tauri, un gair? Alpha Tauri. Austin Martin. Williams. Så bad, nej, det er den ved. Let's see. That 12, yeah. Yo. So. Os di dylbada neu dydyn ennill, gwch chi ddewis pwy ydw i. Paid y poeni dylbada F1 dwi'n chwarae, ond dwi eisiau dewis pa tîm dwi. Simulation 12. Standard race. Dwi'n mynd i symud o gwmpas. Iawn. Ei, chym. O, dwi'n mynd i can, dwi'n sticio efo background music F1. Dwi'n mynd trystio fod laptop fi'n gallu streamio rhedeg marbles on stream a F1 Manager heb ydwch wrth y fyny. So, hwn yw dewis pa tîm dwi'n fod yn y gêm. Ond nes i dol badar neu dydyn ennill, maen nhw'n cael dewis pa tîm dwi. Go, go, go! O, dwi'n meddwl iawn o hwn. O, dol badar yn... Be? O, Alpha, wedyn dol badar yn... O, it's all Alpha. Ooh. Go, go, go! Frost and Senna! Oh my god. It's a perfect fucking camera. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, it's all the back down. Fuck. Oh my god, I'm the mooi, wat? Oh, pan het bad een stuk. Dat is 300%. Oh. That's it. That's it. It's all bad down at the moment. Dolbaden bottled it. Dolbaden with the fucking having a. She had it in her pocket. She's out. It's all Alpha Tauri. She fucking bottled it. Dudzy. Tara Dudzy. Tara Alpine. Fuck the background, man. Alpha Tauri. Oh, Mercedes fucks it up. So we're gonna delve in the Alpha. There. Oh my god. Camera skills gwych gonna fi yma. Oh, Red Bull! Dwi'n eisiau bod yn Red Bull. Dwi'n eisiau bod yn Red Bull. Okay. So marbles. One of the marbles. Dwi yn mynd i dod off fan, a cofn i fi fucking chwythu computer fyny. O fel, fel there. The marbles have spoken.
Ferrari Alpine was a new name in 20...
O, ma'n siarad yn bob un, yw? Oh, shit.
Mercedes returned to F1 in 2010, and since 2014 they've won the Constructors' Championships back-to-back every year.
Yet we rise.
In 2021 they took home the Constructors' Championship once more, although they narrowly missed out on the Drivers' Championship, coming in second. Heading into 2022, Mercedes will insist on dominating the competition. Nothing less than the fastest car and the most wins will give the Silver Arrows the outcome they want to see.
Give me your carbon,
this new
bitch.
season and beyond.
Still we rise. Sorry about them.
The Red Bull team burst onto the F1 scene in 2005. And ever since 2009, they've been one of the top 3 teams in the championship. Last season ended brilliantly for them. Max Verstappen won the prestigious Drivers' Championship, and Red Bull are flying high once more. Heading into 2022 under the right leadership, Red Bull could find themselves heading up the pack once more. They'll certainly be hoping to end the season with not 1 but 2 championship trophies for their cabinet back home in Milton Keynes.
Hynna pan mae'n mor fast, cos mae'n gallu gweld yr apex efo llygad yna. A mae'n gallu gweld ceir wrth ochr yna. Gynna fo peripheral vision, da oes.
Ferrari have entered Formula One every year since the World Championship began.
Because it's an edgy sport, Craig. It's an edgy sport for edgy men and
championship
women.
titles of any team.
Bob dim yn canol.
The team had a solid season in 2021, securing 3rd place in the...
Whoa, Sainz, chill.
Ferrari are very much in it to win it. With strong leadership over the 2022 season and beyond, expect to see them fighting for those podium places. If all goes well, they'll be aiming for that top spot as the seasons progress.
Lol.
McLaren are a cornerstone of F1, having been part of the sport since 1966 and winning numerous drivers and constructors' championships over the years. Last season, they came a respectable 4th overall, with Daniel Ricciardo and Lando Norris securing the only 1-2 finish of the season. The talented driver pairing of Ricciardo and Norris returns for McLaren this season.
Whoa.
One thing is certain, they're not going to settle until they're reigning champions once more. Alpine was a new name in 2021, bringing F1 drivers Fernando Alonso and Esteban Ocon back into the spotlight. Alpine finished the 2021 season in 5th place in the constructors' standings, with their first race win secured by Ocon at the Hungarian Grand Prix. 2022 will be a formative season for Alpine as they return with the tried and trusted driver pairing of Alonso and Ocon. In a few years' time, with the right leadership, they could well become championship contenders. AlphaTauri have been a name in Formula One since 2020. They're renowned for being the proving ground for talented new F1 drivers. Last season, they ended in 6th overall. Driver Pierre Gasly also earned them an impressive podium finish in Baku. Heading into 2022, the team continued to develop their current driver pairing of Yuki Tsunoda and Gasly. They'll want to continue scoring regular points and begin working their way past the other midfield contenders.
Be dwi rili eisiau neud e, be sy'n licio neud, dwi'n gwybod eitha gêm gadael fi neud, iawn. Dwi eisiau bod yn Aston Martin.
2021 was Aston Martin's first full season in Formula One. They roared onto the scene with Sebastian Vettel, the legendary 4-time world champion, in one of those coveted driving seats. Despite some teething problems in testing, Aston Martin gave a solid showing and finished the season.
Dwi yn gallu rei sac I Lance Stroll.
Heading into 2022 with Lance Stroll.
Dwi eisiau rei sac I Lance Stroll. Ia, dwi rili eisiau
Martin
neud.
have the potential to become regular podium contenders, but it's going to take strong leadership and shrewd investment to get them there.
Dalwch I fi mynd I that. Dwi'n ei sylwi fod y fucking thing merchant on bob fucking 5 munud. Get rid of that. Stream elements. Oh my god, interval online. What? I'm gonna give a shit to me. Dwi am dewis Aston Martin. Aston Martin, let's get Vettel on the fucking podium. Let's go. Look at him. Emrys. Hobo. Yes. Start. Locked in, lads and women.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm Audrey Mensa, one of the team's senior engineers. Welcome to the team. It's great to have you on board.
Can I be doing?
We have great ambitions here at Aston Martin, and this upcoming season will be the time to achieve them. Let's show you the ropes. As our new team principal, you're responsible for a lot of aspects of the team. Everything from managing our team's growth, overseeing our finances, and deciding on race day strategies will be in your hands.
God.
You can keep an eye on most things from your dashboard here. I can take you through it now. First up, an overview of the board. They're the ones who set the expectations for the team. If they're confident in your leadership, you'll be fine. If they lose confidence in you, however, they might look to replace you.
Oh my god, where?
The board sets season objectives for the team to achieve. Reaching them will help keep confidence high, so be sure to familiarize yourself with what's expected. You'll want to keep an eye on the long-term objective for beyond this season as well. Okay then, let's look ahead to the race weekend. We need to start preparing for the next Grand Prix, which will be the first of the season.
What kind of testing?
As it's your first day though, there's nothing urgent for you to address. Feel free to explore more, or you can select continue.
Back to differ.
This is where you'll find relevant information on the team's drivers and
Hulkenberg 76, Stroll 79.
performance
F off.
and contract details. You can also scout for new drivers to make sure we have.
Okay. Sack.
You can see here.
Sakura.
Has development points available. You can use them to improve their. You can also select any of the tabs at the top.
Ydw i'n talu straight away cael rid? Ydy scout for replacement? Dwi just eisiau reid. Na, wow, pam dwi'n cael... Oh, dos fi, e? Okay, change. $23 di lan store, mae'n ifanc. Get fucking rid. Get rid. Hey! Change. So dwi'n cael... Dwi'n fel iawn. Oh, iawn, oce. Oh my god, sbia? Iawn. Ydw i'n cael gwarad y Lance Stroll? Yes neu no? Alban 80? Max Verstappen. Bottas? Open for... Alonso. Ocon, Gasly. Cardo. Dwi eisiau fe heddiw. Mate, ti'n fucking Williams? Salary, be ydi salary iawn ddo? Ti'n dwi'n gwybod beth ydi salary y ffrod yma? Like, no way. What? Iawn, contact. Scouts replacement. Mae yn F1 di. So fydd hyn next season. Dwi'n meddwl Alban yn good. Oh my god, dwi'n mynd i teipio fo. Dwi eisiau chdi am 3 seasons, de. A ti'n cael... $2 million. Di hwnna hefyd. Ag ydi hwnna hefyd. Os ti'n net. Hynna de. Hynna de. Fuck off! Ti'n mwyn hynna? Dwi'n mwyn hwnna chwaith na fi. Dwi'n mynd i dechrau eto. Be hwnna? Fuck it, fel la. Go. Go, let's go. What? Last one. Last one. Okay, stick of a stall ta.
One of my favourite places. This is where the car builds happen,
Oh,
and
shit.
where we develop and store our car parts. Throughout.
Oh no. So, back outside. Okay, I just deal in the tutorial.
It's no longer your first day. We'll have you on top of things in no time. You'll continue moving through days this way until it's time for the race. Let's take a look at what needs doing today. Looks like you've received a budget approval request. Most of the team's budget is decided by the board at the start of the season, plus whatever we get from last season's prize money.
Improves. Driver morale, yes.
I reckon that's a good decision.
Go.
It should keep the team in high spirits anyway. Now that's dealt with, we can focus on our first Grand Prix of the season. The race weekend is...
Yeah. Fuck, I'm a duckling again. No way, do it.
There's always some final work to do before we can set off. Check your inbox for the race prep report on this weekend's circuit. Okay, you have all the information you should need. Let's head to race preparation to see if there's any remaining tasks for us to complete. This is your race preparation area, where you'll get the team ready for the upcoming race weekend. You can also find one thing you'll always need to do before each race weekend is setting our performance targets. Here we've got the performance targets for this coming weekend. If we meet these, we'll gain extra revenue.
Okay.
Looks like we've got incentives for both the qualifying session and the race. If we can reach those targets, we'll get an additional payout, and it won't cost the team anything if we don't meet them. You can also decide to add targets here and offer our sponsors guarantees. These are a risk as we face a potential financial loss if... Okay, if you... That feels like something we can achieve without too much difficulty. The reward if we meet the guarantee is good, and the potential loss doesn't seem...
Ideal.
Okay, we're done here.
Finish position. Fastest lap like F. Guy, fastest lap. Okay. Hall of Fame.
You've done everything needed, and the team...
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah. 17th, 17th, 15th, 19th, 19th. No.
Okay, you want to get started with it. These are cars. You can also take a look over the different car parts. The team's expertise in making new car parts improves with experience. Testing is also an important step. If you assign some testing time to this design now, you can see what effect it will have on the car part. Once you've taken a look, let's continue.
Chassis dies.
You can direct the engineering team to focus on specific over the season. As a final step before the team, bear in mind these decisions will have an impact on the jury.
Yeah, don't.
Nice work. That's the project started. If you check your calendar continually.
Ja, het niet. Interflow. Yes. Wel. Alla I ond gweld hwn yn dda. Alla I'm gweld yn byd arall digwydd yma. Just Q3.
Welcome to the archipelago of Formula One. Bahrain might have a small land footprint, but it's showing its big spirit right now in the grandstands. Either way, it's time for another fantastic weekend of Grand Prix racing.
Crufty on that fucking big cell.
Challenging track, and the cars routinely have to brake from high gear to low to take the narrow turns. With the need for downhill braking, the risk of locking up is one drivers will need to manage. It's all about focus and balance to get victory here. We might still be early in the season, but that doesn't mean we can sit back and relax. Everything is up for grabs, and nothing is certain at this stage. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Formula One.
This is Formula One.
Great to see you again. Welcome to your first race weekend with the team. It's Friday, so we're kicking off with free practice one as usual.
Hello, hello, hello. Filter. Limiter. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. What the hell's What the hell? sŵn rhywbeth yn dod drwad. Sorry, mae'n really annoying. So be, na I dreifo fel la? My god, be? Be uffas mynd ymlaen yma, man? Hello, hello. Na, microphone fi wedi mynd yn weird I gyd. So be, na I dreifo fel la? Di microphone yn swnio'n iawn I chi fan o'n? So be, dreifo fel la? Na, I dreifo fel la. O, iawn, oce, na I sticio fel allu. Iawn, practice 1, let's go. Continue. Okay, car setup. Oh my god. Just get him out. Oh, it's Mr. Quad again. Okay, it's been all on. So they'll live over there now. What? Man kan ju practice.
With FP3 all finished, it's time to move on to qualifying. Drivers will no doubt be constantly pushing to secure a good starting place in tomorrow's race. Of course, all it takes is one momentary lapse of concentration and they can find themselves at the back of tomorrow's race. There are always risks to be taken, but can they afford not to? What does today have in store? Only time will tell.
Dwi'n meddwl gwybod dwi'n licio Bahrain. I'm just gonna leave it out there. Yeah, o'n I di mutio'r game am chydig gyda llaw. Dwi di unmutio hwn. Oh my god, sbio lle dyn ni.
To help maximise our drivers' performance, the team have them work on 3 goals during practice: track acclimatisation, car parts knowledge, and setup confidence.
Na, dwi'n meddwl... Somebody could have just done yo'n gwyn yna yn y game ma.
If you manage the session yourself, you might get an even better performance from the drivers for the rest of the weekend.
Dwi'n gadael fi un o do. Dwi'n gadael fi un o do. Dwi'n dal yn dechrau neud ras eto.
Qualifying. Our results here will determine where qualifying takes place.
Just in your setup. The hell's me? Be dwi'n neud? Be dwi'n neud y fama hwn? Dwi'n gwybod be dwi'n neud y fama hwn. Dwi'n cymeryd dwi eisiau bob dim yn y... So mae traction yn bad, iawn. Cael nhw yn y bars. Yna dwi actually... Mae'n di best, y fyna. Optimal setup range, Joan. Mae best. Yeah. Villa? Dwi wedi ffwcio yn y fyny fan. Ti'n dweud fi sticio fela? Iawn. So, dim twitchad yn byd. Dwi'n meddwl wedi ffocin twitchad yr un strol. Dwi'n gymryd shit o'r strol. I ddod yn guinea pig fi. Yeah. Min max. The highest comfort. Well, not bad though. Fuck it, and you just stick over.
Same as practice, the team can handle qualifying for you if you like. Let's
Manage qualifying. Let's go.
Our drivers need to be setting their fastest possible lap times, so we can advance to the next round of qualifying. Keep a careful eye on time remaining. Right then, let's...
Come on, look.
Give me your carbon, bitch.
Managing pace will help you manage a car's tyre temperature.
Yeah, whatever.
Keep an eye on the...
Oh, it's kind of gig.
Fuel commands allow
Yeah,
drive-
what?
Just keep an eye on your remaining fuel.
Fucking hell.
If a driver needs...
Yeah, whatever.
There are three...
Cough.
Harvest will prioritize...
Yeah.
Each car is fitted with a number of onboard cameras. You can also use the map view if you like. Remember you're managing two...
Goff, dwi'n poeni am y llall. Conservio. Dan ni'n conservio. Conserve. Harvest. Fucking flat out wedyn. Emrys fod 30 eiliad, beth dwi'n fod i wneud? Dwi'n gwybod beth dwi'n wneud. Yda poeni, dwi'n gwybod beth dwi'n wneud. Hammer time! It's hammer time! Nah, fuck off. Don't want you. Push.
You can stop, lift and coast.
Copy.
Come on, let's go.
Need to push now.
Copy.
Let's get some times on the table. So bydd fi'n deud i 4 times world champion sydd wedi dreifio. Let's go. O, chat, fi symud. Lle ffordd dwi fod i'r ei gwynab fi? Fama. Fama, dwi'n mynd give a shit am fucking... Lle dwi fod i'r... Oh my god! Dwi'n meddwl llai bach law. For fuck's sakes! That's spinning one, though.
These tires cool a bit.
Copy.
Do what you can to keep the tires cool.
Okay.
Sut dwi'n bocsio fo? Sut dwi'n... Dos i fucking...
Okay, suggest lift and coast.
Yeah.
Oh, mae'n ddim yn pasio! Oh my god!
We just need to charge up.
Copy.
Be nath o?
From the data view,
Oh, taw! Dude, seriously. Seriously. Ti allu nice. Okay, dyna hynna. Fucking get in! Get in the fucking pits. Fucking
our driver is back in the pit.
taw.
The team will make sure the run plan is updated to include refueling. So all you have to do is fit.
Fucking...
Here you can see
Fuck off!
we
Fuck off! Iawn, another set of fucking... Wastia set of fucking softs arall yma. Ta dwi'n sticio fe rubbed set. No. It'll be 2 set, yeah. Be ti'n meddwl dwi'n mynd i quali 3?
I wouldn't recommend using these tyres. We'd be best using a fresh soft set. The track will have more.
Os dwi'n mynd i cyn i fi fucking dweud o'n i... Oh my god, seriously, dynas yma. Send out. Dwi'n mynd give a... Mae Stroll yn fucking... Dwi'n mynd poen am Stroll. Dwi ddim yn poen am Stroll. Ti'n agos o hynny. Ti'n agos o hynny. Send out, let's go. Conserve, 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 let's go. Okay, Vettel. Love it. Fucking all out attack, all out push.
Happy to push.
Copy.
Copy.
You can use energy.
Okay, copy.
Come on. Look at the speed. %5 chance of rain. in 2 minutes. Mae'n gyd yn swn reit bod yn y game o beth dwi wedi weld. Hiter ffocin apexes ma! So, so ffordd wedi un ydyn nhw. Fly. Push. Come on. Naw munud. Car ma ddim yn shit. Mae'n just angen guiding hand fi i neud o. Angen cynnesu TRs ar outslap. Oh, fucking traffic! Fuck off! Dwi'n dod hwnna? Norris, sut dwi'n fucking... Sut dwi'n gallu... Sut dwi'n gallu... Mae Norris wedi bod yn cocky season yma anyway. Mae thing os ydych dweud am Ricardo ddoe de. Sut dwi'n gallu... Dwi'n mynd i complain am pobol. Bach well ddo. Dwi'n iwsio set arall o... Dwi'n mynd i ddal ar chydig bach, wan. Na! Dwi'n iwsio set arall. Third set of softs. Ie, di saint na botas i bod allan. Iawn, oce. Hwn dwi isio. So ma'n... Dwi all off yn y fetall yn wan, do. Oce, gyda chi set. Ie, dwi'n... Na, sbio, dwi'n y ffocin... Get him out, get him out. Dwi'n misio bod yn y traffic diwedd na. Conserve. Na, dwi'n mam... Nes sticio fi yn car am wan, os dwi... Dwi'n mam... Na fo, ces i TRs. Ie, eisiau cwod hwnna?
So use energy if you need it.
Okay.
Copy that.
Let's go, Vettel. Let's go. Na, oedd Vettel yn sector 3, oedd dod off y main straight. Cos mae'n cymryd amser yn y ddeud o'n di. Come on, show me some fucking World Championship fucking quality. Come on. Shit, tires are too hot.
So back off.
Copy.
Fuck's sakes.
Rears are hot.
Okay.
Rai fi, y tiers ar y boeth. Go on.
So we just need to push.
Push now on the stretch.
Yeah. Okay.
Drop back a bit.
Okay.
P14.
Some lift and coast will help that.
Copy.
Sgrifam. Alonso. Fos ni ffwcio fi drosodd ie. Get in.
Okay, and all the way to zero. All the way to zero. Car off.
Yes! Yes! Ah, Stroll, die fuck all. Oh shit, my bodal. Oh shit, Alphas. No!
It looks like we didn't make it through to Q2. Not great, but it's only the first weekend of the season. Plenty of time to improve.
How could this happen to me?
Mae'n totally off. Oh, oedden ni'n good fucking... Oedden ni'n good way off for them. Chi'n mynd i cael points ar y qualification is all about the race day.
Fight it out, wheel to wheel.
Aston Martin were on target for qualifying. Now it's up to them to defy
Fuck off!
expectations for the
On target!
Alpha Tauri's qualifying results were in line with the targets set out for the team. They certainly have the potential to achieve a good result here today. And the night sky here is very overcast, with no moon or stars in sight.
Night?
This might spell trouble for the teams and their drivers.
But which team has perfected the strategy that will see them prevail today?
Dyma nos, de.
We're at the Bahrain Grand Prix.
Fuck.
Right then, time for the main event.
Taw.
Each driver will need to make at least one pit stop to fit new tyres. On average, a pit stop will cost a driver about 25 seconds. So we need to think carefully about when to pit and why. Let's set a tyre strategy for our drivers now.
So mae hwnna'n gallu mynd 33 laps. Hard gallu mynd 39, 22. Dwi'n meddwl mynd hard.
Every race weekend, the team will prepare some recommended strategies to choose from. Let's see what they suggest for this race. Okay, strategy A is a fast but risky option, relying on 2 soft stints and no hard compound at all.
Dwi di un set o softs glans gynna fi, mae lleill yn scrubbed.
Strategy B is a well-balanced option. 2 soft stints and a nice long middle stint. Right. If you think a different approach could work.
None.
Strategy C is a good choice. Going safe for your first race isn't a bad idea. Okay, now to select a strategy for our other driver. It doesn't...
Dwi'n mynd... Ysgrif fi ddim 2 sets o softs i Vettel na gys. Dwi'n licio hwnna i Vettel i. I'm gonna go soft, hard, medium i Vettel. There. Ond, dwi am mynd...
You should consider picking a different strategy.
Yeah, dwi am mynd soft, hard, soft i Stroll.
Right, let's head back to the preparation area and get this race started.
Dwi'n methu newid nhw. Ah, okay. Ti dweud fi... Be am hynna? Be am hynna? Pwysio ar y mediums. Ta na. Ta dyna'n awful. Pwysio ar y hards. Fela? Dwi angen ddim pwysio ar y softs. Yn fila dde. Fila dde. Fila dde. Fila. Ond yn dweud, rwla, shit, lle ni wylio sio, fama. Soft 3 melyn, iawn, oce. Pwysio fela. Dwi'n teimlo, os dwi'n pwysio fo, mae tyre life hefyd dod fewn fydd. Hard to pair am 39 laps, iawn, oce. Be am... Faint i mediums wneud? Be am hyn ta? Na fela. Lle ma'n dweud tyre? Oce, fa ma, iawn. Lifetime 24 laps, iawn. No. 33 laps. 39 laps. $39 laps. Mae'n dweud mae hard yn gallu 39 laps, iawn. So os gai hard... Ydw i'n gallu neud y one stop? So, mae mediums yn 33 laps, iawn. Dim hynna. Oce, so fem hynna. Hynna di strategy. One stopper. He's doing a one stopper there. A mae'r boi yma yn neud two stopper. Cos gonna ddau set o softs. He's gonna fucking push like fucking... And he's gonna push. Done. Dwi'n mynd fucking... Dau nhw. Fucking soft, medium soft. One stopper. Done.
It's a cloudy night tonight, but otherwise...
Oh no!
Here we go!
Shit.
With the Bahrain Grand Prix.
Shit, she missed it! Ah!
It's lights out!
Go!
Go!
Oh, sut dwi'n stopio? Dwi'n mynd i neud panad yn sydyn. Dwi'n cael panad yn sydyn. Oedd ffenast fi rego, so oedd pob gallu clywed fi. Beth sgach chi ddweud? Oh my god, beth yw'r -1.5 laps na? What? Sbia? Be ti'n neud de? Ti'n mynd fel hyn, iawn? Bang, de. Alt F4, de. A mynd, nôl, fewn ddo fo. Dwi di. Pam yn agor VR fi? Sorry. Bach yn, Pam... So dwi... Os dwi'n dweud fo dreifio mwy agresif, dwi angen adio mwy o petrol na fo. Iawn, oce. Makes sense. Da. Autosave. Lle mae autosave ar eid fi? Lle mae autosave ar eid fi? Let's go.
Right then, time for the main event. The bar.
Oce, iawn, oce.
Each driver
Ar ôl heddiw, os dwi'n i'r rhasys, fyddai ddim yn save scymio fel la.
pit stop will
On.
cost the driver about. Let's set a tyre strategy.
Fuck off! Dwi'n gwybod. Iawn, oce.
Race weekend. Okay. Strategy B. Right. If you think.
Oh, fuck off! Hei, diolch yn fawr iawn, dyd ti? Hei, mae'n siop yn bar hen, diolch yn fawr. Iawn, oce. Serious one, serious talk one. Let's go. Hard compound, iawn. He's doing... Faint o laps, mae'n neud... 32 laps, iawn. A mae'n pwysio, iawn. Mae softs, mae mediums yn neud 33 laps, iawn. Ond dwi angen neud Iawn, oce, so... Be am hynna? Dwi'n licio hynna, le. Hynna dwi'n licio. Mae hards na'n gallu 39 laps. So, mae gen i fyny stint starting 36 laps. Na i adio mwy o fuel, dwi'n adio fuel yn do. A mae'n pwysio ar y mediums yn diwedd. Ond gyda bach o fywyd yn nhw i. So, mae'n gwneud 21 laps ar mediums. Lle maen nhw fod yn 33. Shit. Na, dim yn eisiau. Digon hawdd i fi newid ond di. Going D. Sut ydw i adio mwy o petrol efo? Mae'n cael? What? So be? Lift and coast. Lift and coast.
You should consider picking a different strategy.
Okay, fuck off. Ti'n cael hwnna,
It's both drivers.
cos ti efo dau set o softs, okay? Just i cyfo pace, iawn. Iawn, lift and coast, ys the stint hard, ia. Stroll, eich di just sort of iawn, okay.
There's a very overcast night in store for the drivers who are now lined up on the grid. And there's Sebastian Vettel. They're
Yes,
starting
my
in the
man.
bottom half of the grid today, so there's a lot of cars between them
Give
and
me
the
your
podium.
carbon, bitch.
There's Lance Stroll, down the grid. Slower than most yesterday, so today they'll be starting from the bottom half of the grid. The race start is mere seconds away.
Seconds away.
And this is it.
Let's go.
Bahrain Grand Prix. It's lights out
Amen.
and all.
Go, go, go! Deploy.
You can use energy. Use energy. You can use energy.
Wel, dwi'n dwi'n energy fan'na.
Okay.
Okay, attack, attack! Come on, get some places. Get some fucking places. Sit.
That's it. Stay cool, man. You're doing a good job.
Just gonna need turn ni. A dwi'n methu gweld... Hyn dwi'n licio, dwi'n methu gweld pwy dwi efo.
So back off.
Copy.
O'n i angen y first stint na. So be, mae gyda fi softs o gwmpas fi. O'n i angen... Okay. Stroll, fucking bad start, Stroll.
No saving required.
Copy.
We can push more.
Okay.
Ti'n meddwl gold tiers eraill? Iawn, dwi wedi cael... Dwi isio Stroll cael gwarad o Albon ASAP. Cos yna fydd o. Bosib bod y tiers eraill. Dwi'n gweld y tiers eraill.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Come on, come on. Da iawn. Neutral. Balanced.
Yeah, take it easy.
Yeah, okay.
Dyma. O ie, dwi'n bo.
DRS will be active.
Na, dwi'n meddwl. Sut dwi'n gwybod? Ie, dwi'n gwybod. Dwi'n gwybod tiers pobl eraill. Oh, pass? Is it a pass? Oh, no, fucking... Oh my god. It's about...
Happy to push. Copy.
Just the... arrows with interval atop a timing screen. Oh! Diolch yn fawr dyma then. Diolch yn fawr. So dwi angen... Dwi'n gwybod dwi'n wastio... Dwi'n gwybod ddim yn good call efo Vettel, ond dwi angen gap. Dwi angen i bach o gap rhwng...
Push more.
Yep.
Right.
Just overtake.
Okay.
Drop back a bit.
Yeah, okay.
A ddylai Stroll i bach o pressure ar Schumacher i fi. Oh my god. Oh, good pass gan Stroll fanna.
This is good, Lance. Come on.
Ooh!
Aston Martin are moving up the field.
So use energy if you need it.
Okay, copy.
So I Vettel i bach o pressure ar...
Defend.
Yeah.
Okay, dwi angen conserve.
Okay, so just lift and coast.
Copy.
Ac mae Schumacher yn... Dwi angen cael Vettel fewn gyda gap to all. Oh, fuck.
As the race progresses, remember to keep an eye on the planned strategy you put in place before the race. The strategy view will let you check your strategy. The data view is also an important area to... During the race, you can use the strategy view to check on each driver's strategy and adjust them if need be. You can also check the strategy graphs to see how a car's tyre wear is matching up to the team's expectations.
Okay, yo.
You can also use the car and track tabs to view more details about them. The car tab shows you current and projected component condition and fuel loads, while the track tab has more information about weather and track grip.
So, efo Vettel... Pause. Os allai neud y stint per yn hirach, allai newid I softs yn diwedd y llaf. Rhaid I Stroll just... bod yn Stroll fydd. Mae'n harvestio. Bastard!
Still a lot to play for.
You can stop, lift and coast.
Copy.
Dwi'n gwybod beth wneud efo Stroll. Dwi'n pwysio Stroll.
we think we can lean on the tyres more.
Okay.
Energy if you need it.
Dwi'n mynd i gweld os allai just dal fy... Dwi'n misio fo colli'r... Dwi'n misio fo colli ar Mick. Ie, beth ydi wan, dwi'n misio fo pasio... Dwi'n misio fo pasio Stroll na guys. Hyn o bryd mae'n neud y really da yn tôn. O, oce. So allai... Push. Come on. Oh, DRS! Mad lad.
You're doing a good job. Save fuel.
Copy.
Os allai sebri bach o pwysau ar Mick Schumacher yn.
So we just need to push now.
Copy.
Oh my god, i Seb, di mynd am... Dwi am dechrau... Neud hynna wedyn. Oh my god, smia! Oh shit, mae'n Stroll! Oh shit, dyna'n dal yn harvest! So beth dwi yn just yn mynd hynna i fo. So allai cael ti ar Stroll i paren hirach, chwan.
Save fuel.
Yeah.
O, dyn... Na, di ddim yn fewn am ages. Dwi am trio neud ti ar Stroll paren hirach.
We just need to charge up.
Yeah.
Some lift and coast will help that.
Copy.
Ni ddim neud efo Stroll, dwi'n pwysio Stroll. Dwi'n lyco syniad yn cael a... Oh shit. No, shit, sy'n gofio hwnna. Oi, push, sit.
Is that a new race position for Haas?
You can use energy.
Copy.
Steer i...
They'll come to us.
Yeah.
Oh, gad Stroll drwad, ie? Na dwi eisiau, ie. Shit, dwi eisiau Stroll pasio drwad yma. Dos o drwad.
Do what you can to keep the tyres cool. Nicely done.
Looks like Aston Martin have just gained a race position.
Oh, so a move, big move, man.
So this was the Aston Martin. And they clear it.
Dwi eisiau gols allu tiers. Oh my god, no!
Happy to push.
Copy that. I can, yeah, it's insane how bad we are.
Stay cool, man. You've done a good job.
Oh, Schumacher had mynd... Pa lap yn mynd i fewn? Chas na chi fast I fi yndi.
So Sebastian, we are all okay on fuel, so you can do what you want for speed.
Yeah, copy.
So back off.
Copy.
Dwi isio Stroll mynd o flaen Schumacher a dwi isio cael bach o gap, ie? Be, fuck it, just fucking...
Do everything you can, mate.
Yeah, okay.
Use energy.
Copy.
Harvest, serve. So beth dwi'n...
Drop back a bit.
Copy.
It's good.
Aston Martin with a great play there. They've moved up a place.
Dwi just isio fo... Ie, dwi'n meddwl hynna fyd. Mae'n quite misleading, dwi'n teimlo fel o. Lle bwysio dipyn... Tias Mick Schumacher ddo. Mae'n cael all-out attack ar y Tias. Fe I just... Beth hwnna'n mynd fel arno? Be dwi'n neud efo Seb ddo? Dwi'n ffansi gadael Seb allan am ages di. Just fatha...
got loads of energy.
Copy.
Be dwi'n neud efo Seb, wan? Ydw i'n pwysio hards, dwi'n just yn cael... Be dwi'n teimlo di, os allai cael y hards mae pera'n hirach, pwysio mwy. Ond, so mae'n well i fi cael yn hirach a cael soft ar y diwedd.
Right.
Iawn, oce.
Haas with an overtake.
Ah, fucking... Ti'n gwybod dim, ddo?
Yeah, take it easy.
Okay.
Ie, swn i'n matab i Schumacher yn ogys. Oce. O shit, pa lap mae pobl dechrau dod i fewn? A just sticio fel hyn am chydig gwan.
Sounds like someone's locked up.
O, oed. Hyn dwi'n licio, ti'n mynd i gweld, dwi'n mynd i cael hwn i... Dwi'n gorau fatha gwarad o hwnna still to wear.
Come on.
Albon di pasio fi, oh my god! Oh, crap! Ie. Iawn, oce, oce. So, dwi yn mynd i wneud change of... Un strategy there. Dwi am wneud hynna. Dwi am wneud hynna.
Okay, our driver has just entered the pit window. The pit window encompasses the laps that cover the planned pit stops in your strategy. This
Okay.
means it's nearly time to call the planned pit.
So dwi am wneud? Dwi am... Neu hynna. A lap dwi. I. Iawn. Change of plan. Change of plan. Sut dwi'n cael o fewn i'r pit? O, goffed e.
Come on.
Yep.
Okay.
No saving required.
Yeah.
Dwi'n cael allan ar y hards.
Right, let's talk tyres. During dry races, ultimately, it's your decision.
Oh, fuck off!
Sonoda is pitting this lap.
They will be boxing this lap.
Okay, happy to box.
Okay, fucking everything you got. Let's go.
Energy if you need it.
Okay.
So neb di mynd am y hards, am y mediums.
You can stop, lift and coast.
Yeah, copy.
Just like how... Ie, na, dwi'n push, dwi ar balance dwan. Neutral. 65. So dwi wedi conservatiad gormod o. Mae... Dwi newid hwn. It's coming in. Fucking all out attack. See. Come on, come on. We're on good pits, we're at good pits. .799.
Give me your carbon, bitch.
Ti angen balance.
Better lock up on the track.
Harvest. Push ar y outlap. Ti'n mynd agos.
Who's running wide there?
Sut ydw i'n gael gol? Oce, hyn dwi'n siarad. Last lap. Shit, oedd yn sbio dda. Oce, so Schumacher. 139.
Safe fuel, safe fuel.
Okay.
Save fuel.
Copy.
Na, gos dwi eisiau push this.
Push a bit more.
Okay, okay.
Iawn, ydy... Schumacher dal allan. Fo, dwi'n pwynt amdan. Dwi'n gwybod aros allan. Lap times fo. 141, ok, mae dechrau dropio off fan. 141 o fyna. Mae Stroll neu 2 minutes. O ie, outlap. Vettel, o. Llwyddiant yma. Rwy'n rhedeg 17 ac 18 still yma dan. Be ti'n meddwl? Be ti'n te'n dweud? Dwi eisiau gweld os di Stroll yn jumpio dwi eisiau gweld os di Stroll yn jumpio Schumacher. Hwna di thing fi. Vettel's still going. Vettel is still going. Oce, ella dwi wedi ffwcio ras Vettel fyny, ella. Standard, oce. Bach o laps. Nawn ni halfway.
Haas with an overtake there.
Shit, na ddo sbia.
Is that a new race position for Haas?
Oh my god, sbia, mae'n fucking... I fucked, dwi wedi ffwcyn fyny. Oh my god! Oh, that balance there! Neutral, standard, posh. Ti'n methu skipio gymaint o laps yna de? Dwi'n mwyn beth ffwc dwi'n trio neud efo fucking Vettel de. Dwi ddim de. Dwi'n dal heb di pitio. Pit window 13 laps, dwi wedi ddeud o. Dylai fo fflio, dwi'n... Os dwi wedi rhaid digon amser iddo fo. So beth dwi'n dechrau ffocin... aggressive efo hwnna.
So we just need to push now.
Copy.
Dwi'n methu dal Schumacher i fyny, ie. O'r unig peth ydy, de... Mae'r tîm angen yn pitio eto, yndi. So di Schumacher... Di Vettel, actually... Ie, dwi'n gwybod. Dwi'n yn... Sbio ddo, sbio... Ti'n beth, fucking... All out fucking attack. All out attack, let's go. Sbio ddo, sbio lle mae lein fi, mae o'n... Just aggressive, ta. Stwpiwch cwmffar gilydd! Fucking...
So back off.
Okay, copy.
Just cwmffar gilydd!
If you need.
Okay.
Yellow exit of 6. Yellow exit of 6.
Oh, Albon.
Let's have a look. Now watch this. Here's the moment involving Albon.
Ah, Jam Man! Fucking Jam Man.
They spin
Give me
out.
your carbon, bitch.
Oh my god, sbio meint o fatha... Sbio meint o fucking... Okay, let's go. That's ar ôl fucking... Okay, dwi wedi ffwcio strol. Dwi wedi ffwcio strol fyny. Tisio fi... Na i reid yr... O, mae sound file yn y Discord, cofiwch. Mae sound file yn y Discord os ti eisiau fo. Okay. Ella fod y two-stop strategy... I wneud y two-stop yma weithio, dwi angen fucking pushio yn do.
We're good to push.
Copy.
Dod o fo fewn yn gynt, ie. Just burn up those tyres. Just fucking... Sap yn doing... Sap di'r unig un sef di fucking pitio ta de? Ydy pobl angen pitio eto? Fucking hell. Fe iffa di pace fucking Stroll, seriously. Be ydi na? What the hell?
We have low battery.
Oh shit! Couple laps. I lap 31. Os mae'r harvest yn mynd.
Someone's run wide.
Hoi, Bottas.
Let's take a look at the replay. Now we see Valtteri Bottas.
Oh!
They're completely
Oh, hwnna'n... Racing incidents, dwi'n gwybod
That's going
cyffdi.
to be a big blow to the team. Will they be able to recover?
What the fucking...
We'll
cytio? Oh my god. Aston Martin overtaking Aston Martin on a stretch. Name a more iconic duo. Oh wait.
Okay, happy to lift and coast.
Copy.
Pit windows, 5 laps. Okay.
Drop back a bit.
Yeah.
Ydy pob arall ar two stoppers, a just fi sy'n really shit. Mae'n gwrs na fi sy'n shit ta... Super Sab pace for... Oh my god, Spear. How my pace? Stop more shit.
As the cars spend more time on track, make
But
this all looks great. No,
nah. Okay, just two stoppers. Don't go on two stoppers. Must be pace stall though. Absolutely shocking. Ai bai fi dyna? Na, dim bai fi dyna. So. Right, for a bit. 4 laps. Yeah, we just do a bit of laps.
Energy's good.
Yeah, okay.
Fucking hell, bydd i'r close racing yma, mae dau Aston Martin ma'n neud. Oh my god, sbia, gwahaniaeth. So beth, dwi am... ...57 laps. Change strategy. Fucking... Get some fucking... Mae pace Stroll ar y fucking hards na de yn bollocks. Absolutely bollocks. Ti'n neud o'n balanced. Fucking all-out attack.
Take it easy.
Yeah.
Ti'n iawn. Tad dwi'n set o... Oh shit, tad dwi'n set o softs. Iddo fo. Set o softs. Set o softs, set o softs, set o softs. Be dwi'n neud efo Stroll? Gadael allan ar ei softs yna fo, tad o fo fewn yn gynt ar ei mediums yna fo. Mae pace fan yn ofnadwy ar y hards. So dwi'n dod o fo fewn yn gynt ar ei mediums yna fo, a dweud o fucking tancio i. Ta dwi yn gadael allan hirach a cael o dod i fewn yr un amser y Stroll. Cos pace-wise, mae Vettel i gallu mynd ar set o hards mor dda mae Stroll yn hard a soft. Nah, he's going medium, he's going fucking medium. Rhaid fi cael beth wahanol. Di'r hogyn ddim yn drys de, ydy ddim yn trys de. Pits. Just some mediums. Pits this lap.
I think we've had a car run wide.
Yeah, set of softs. It's in this lap.
Box.
Come on. Yeah. Fucking all-out attack.
Pushing now.
Copy that.
Oh shit, na, aros fe allan. Shit, na. Cancel. Aros allan. Oh shit, na, gai fi. Oh, fi Vettel yn flin efo fi.
So we think box. Copy that. Box.
Iawn, fucking laps hwn di gwella gwbl. Pwynt dal ar. Yeah, pit options. Soft. Yeah, planned. Pa fod hwnna'n?
Bastion pit lane.
Copy. Just pit limiter, just a reminder on pit limiter.
Yeah, we should go 137s run against fucking Vettel. 137s. Let's go. Fucking 31 seconds. Bisgyn, Mick, though. Dal ar y mediums, da. Dal ar y mediums, da. Okay, my stall fucked, okay? Yeah, mae o'n... Dwi'n siŵr byd gwirion yma, guys. Dwi'n byd gwirion. Standard, iawn. Na ni bach o laps. Na ni fynd at lap 45 fel hyn. Going to post i fewn. Oh my god, mae Schumacher...
Looks like there's been a lock-up.
No, I'm sure. Oh my god, Vettel, pan ti mor shit?
Seems to have been a lock-up.
Be dwi wedi dweud y wrong, wan? Pan mae Vettel... Os mae Vettel mor slow, wan? Fe ti ar shit. Mae ti os i dal y waith a pobl eraill, ddo. Lle dwi? Ti os fi dal yn 88%. Be uffar dwi wedi dweud y wrong as yma? So where? Just
You can use everything from the tyres.
let's see his true fucking pace, man. Fucking.
So use energy.
Copy.
Come on, fucking overtake your Ferrari now. And lap it in. Let's go. You need fucking attack, push, deploy. Fucking, we've done fastest lap. Fuck it, don't give a shit, just fucking toss. Spear and fucking lap one. Actually, a bit attack. Fucking
Push now.
Yeah.
just fucking flat out.
Use energy.
Yeah.
Balls to the fucking wall. But no, but die true fucking pace nu man. Wat een lock-ups, hè? Gasly, wat doen we nu? Attack, attack, attack.
Yeah.
So, we are soft tyres, iawn. We're burning out the fucking petrol there. Bob dim attack, be di true pace ni man. Dwi'n dangos bod di fast slap. What the hell? 135, let's go! Sbio 135. Dwi'n mor... Dwi ar...
All okay on fuel, so you can do what you want for speed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Harvest bob dim there.
So back off.
Copy.
We just need to charge up.
Copy.
Can you turn it on?
You can stop, lift and coast.
Copy.
Di charge fyny am y fucking... Serve tyres there.
We've got loads of energy.
Copy.
Okay, lle Okay, dwi'n mynd am flying lap arall efo fucking... Dwi'n mynd all out, fucking balls to the wall wan, efo fucking... Vettel fan wan. So mae Vettel dod round y bend. Attack. Push. Fucking
Pushing
deploy.
hard. Pushing hard.
Let's look at this lap.
Okay, copy.
You can use energy. Use energy. You can use energy.
Copy.
Yeah, we can. Okay, I fucked this up. Putting my hands up, I fucked up. I got it wrong on the day. Green. Green purple. O'n i'n gobeithio micromanager ynddo. Okay, green first sector.
So we're happy to let these guys cool.
Nah, fuck off.
Copy.
Nah, dude. Go lap warning confirmed. Go shit to now. Sit on, some middle sector fi'n slomach. Come on. Come on. 1:35.6. What a time. What a time. Bang. Bang. Bang.
Drop back a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Let me get end of the race. Dwi'n gos to cyrraedd NEC fory. Dwi'n gobeithio to 9:30. Na di plan fi ar hyn y bryd.
I think there's been a lock-up.
No man's land yma.
Struggling with tyres.
Yeah, copy.
Is it working what we're doing?
Is it working what we're doing? Oh, yndi. Mae ddo. Mae o yn... working. Rhaid fi gychwyn tua 6 o gloch, 6:30-ish. Mae'n 3 awr o ddreif. Weithio fod o'n llai o stressful na hwn.
Be 3 to go.
3 to go? Well, they have up 56. Oh, yeah, okay. Wait, so into the... Oh, yeah, okay. Wel cheerio. I ni. Fuck, ys bydd yma ta? Oh my god, Perez yn dod â ni.
Sounds like someone's locked up.
No, it's fine, so. Spin yma? So team orders yma, so team orders. Oh, sbia. Fuck your team fi, dwi'n gwybod shit yn team fi. Sbia hyn. Oh my god, sbia. Fel am y KRF1 yn symud. Spia, lle dyn ni fel yna. Spia, it's embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing.
This will be our last lap.
O, hyn ydi swn yr injan fan. Mark yn ymesio hwn fyny Perez. Na, team orders. Team fucking orders, guaranteed. Yr unig ffordd allith Verstappen bod y world champion, team orders. Vettel in no man's land yma. So gallu bod y waith. Dwi wedi cael... do. Wedi cael lap. Fucking hell, so Schumacher yma.
Max Verstappen over the finish line and today's winner.
Schumacher wedi overtaker Latifi. Mae hynna'n nuts.
A solid performance there from Lance Stroll.
Solid performance. Solid performance from Lance Stroll yna. P17.
But there's still some margin.
Fucking, be mae hyn yn fucking high-five-io.
Have what it takes. I can't wait to see which direction they go in for the next race.
Fucking high-five-io.
Up, the team is ranked in 9th in the constructor standing.
Yeah, fucking, yeah. Fucking, yeah. 17, 18, let's go. Let's go.
Saudi
Fucking... Fucking... Be the fastest lap ni. Be the fastest lap ni. Be the pace. Be the true pace. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah. Pace. Vettel, best time 1:35.6. So 35.6 there. And fucking pace in there. Stroll though, 37. Dwi'n yn gwybod os allai cario ymlaen efo ffocin Aston Martin, ia. Dwi ddim yn gwybod, ia. The pace yna'n awful. Absolutely awful.
The team's drivers gain experience over each race weekend, depending on their performance. With enough experience, your drivers will be able to improve their skills.
Ie, cario ymlaen dysgu gem, ie. Oedd di hwnna... Mae Bahrain yn notoriously ddim yn Aston Martin good circuit, na di.
Congratulations on completing the first race weekend of the season. The team's outcome will have had an effect on board confidence levels. You can see their response in more detail in the board menu.
Oh,
But there's
season objective though, 8th though.
over the season.
Yo.
Take a look at what you can be doing before the next race.
Fuck off,
Have an email from-
Suspension.
Ah, it looks like the engineering team have just finished manufacturing a car part. It's a suspension system, one the team designed earlier. Improving our cars is a constant process. New car parts are initially designed by the team. They can then be manufactured and installed on either car. This suspension has already been...
Ah, be fucking...
From the cars area, you can manage everything related. Uninstalled car parts are stored in the ware.
Hey, fuck.
Here at the ware.
Nah, go to car parts. Go to car parts installation. Lle? Lle mae car parts installation? Oh.
Right. All the available suspension designs are here to look through. Check the new design at the... Take the time here to compare the... Looks like this... Select the new
Okay.
Great work. That's the new suspension fitted. If you want to have more copies of this design manufactured, you can do so from here. Just remember those F1 mandated spending caps. The official limit if you don't want the...
What? Fitted? In warehouse. Car 1. Yo. Oh, yeah, okay. Spear. Mae'n mynd o 26.63% i 26.65%. Fucking class. Oh, game changer. Fucking game changer, fan'na. Ydych chi'n sgwini fan'na? Emery, skip. Be, lle mae o? Ian? Powertrain. Lap. Na, a ni just eisiau fastest lap yn diwedd. Si bildio chassis do. So dwi'n bildio fast parts.
You're pretty much ready.
Fuck off!
If you
Fuck off! Cad, fuck off! Car analysis. Shit.
Every team will continuously develop their cars over the season.
What? O, oce, so byddai'n gallu cymaru. Oce, byddai'n cymaru hynny'n efo Red Bull Verstappen. Oce. Dwi'n mynd top trumps me. Sbio fan'na. Realistically, pwy ydy'r team to beat? Haas i ni de. It's all about the Haas, yeah. Sbia, dyn ni'n... Sbia? Fuck, yw car ma'n shit! Be di'r trash ma? Cars, parts development, current project. Hey, fuck, pam nes i hyn? Be di hyn? Design. Design, di? Dwi'n mynd dechrau fucking bildio nhw. Warehouse. Okay, 4 chassis. Okay. Och, di, mae'n 10 o gloch, felly fi orffan am heddiw. Sbia hein! I just need... inbox. The board watched the race at Bahrain this weekend and we're disappointed with the team before below expectations. Yeah, well, we know that every team has bad races. We hope to see a return to form soon. Good day, Patrick. Oh shit, the map. Then sponsorship obligation, factory events. Staff. I think a staff.
It's not just the fastest car that makes a team the best in F1. It's the people doing the hard work behind the scenes.
Fucking Thierry. Technical chief is 69, dear. Fucking get rid. Sut dwi'n gael staff gwell? Head ver 65. Scout for fucking replacement. Fucking right. Who's my free agents, man? Who's the best free agent? Hun. 35. Fucking right. Yeah. Yeah, fucking 2 seasons. Ah! £2 million. $3.5 million. It's a free agent, a job. Fucking higher. Let's go. Get rid. Yes! Voigt. Fucking best free agent on the market. Na fo. Tara, boi na dwi'n mwyn cofio enw o. Fucking newid hwn y fydd. So, 74. Fucking technical chief, hwn chief. Morale high, fuck off. Iawn, let's go. Free overall. 69. High out fee. Salary. Oh shit, dwi wedi gordalu, mae fucking boi na do. T Chong. Fuck yes. Get you in, 78. Be din fi? Oh yes. Get it. Get fucking it. Best free agent on the fucking market. I think I'll fucking... No, wait. Come on. Get the staff in. Contact declined. Why? Oh. Okay. Okay. Yes! Fucking get off. Get Stroll on the fucking phone. Open your wallet. Yeah, deal. Dead weight. 78, 74, 80, 84. Race engineer Ben Mitchell. Titico! Race engineer Chris Corrin, 80. Vettel deserves fucking better. Deserves fucking better. Get fucking rid. Yes, Bono! But do you have your own budget cap, though? Do you have your own budget cap? Oh, come on, press with finances.
Here you can
towel.
into team.
It's my day budget cap.
Don't forget to check in with...
Oh, I stick on... Shit, I'm good one.
From here, you... Over time...
Bottom! Then my budget... Oh shit, okay, dwi'n poeni wan. Cost cap. Mae'n mynd yn golygu. Dwi'n yn golygu... Mae'n iawn di? Mae'n iawn, staff. Fucking... Sbia ddo. O, dwi eisiau. Fucking Bono. Not interested. Ie, sgwyneb da. Okay. So be, o'n i angen neud hynna. O, sbia. Be di hynna? Pam dwi eisiau upgradeio fo? Team Hub. So dwi'n... Dwi eisiau gwella hein? So dwi'n gwario hwn, do? Mae'n iawn. Oce. Gadael stwff o fanna. Dwi'n neis weekend. Yes. Dwi eisiau pobl fi fy hun yna. Step gynta o cael tîm, di cael gwared o'r dead weight. Fi na wedyn de. So ie, fucking... Boy, yma eisiau fucking sack de, hwn. Be? 74 rated. Pit crew. O, fod dwi'n mynd i brynu, ie? Oce, ta. Iawn, oce, nes sticio fo beth sgynna fi fan. O, ie, o, di o. 2 seasons. Ech, ffwc o gyflog yndi. Ti mistake o fod o. Sut dwi'n gwybod efo budget cap? Cost cap? Dwi'n fucking... Dwi'n... Fine. It's fine. Oes, ti eisiau gwybod... Ti eisiau gwybod beth di blesiwn Gymraeg? Ti'n gwybod beth di blesiwn Gymraeg? Hyn di blesiwn Gymraeg.
Give me your carbon, bitch.
Hynna di blesiwn Gymraeg. Iawn, rhaid fi fynd. Swn i'n neud ras arall, swn i'n mynd gorfod diffo am 6 bore fory. So, mi fydda i'n neud ras arall. Di llun mynd debyg. Jeddah. Dwi'n mynd disgwyl stwff da, cos carn yn shit. Mae carn yn really shit. Cos top speed ni. Slow. So dyn ni efo yn y bin Williams. Yes! Gyda. Oedd yn slofach ar y... Anyway. Di llun fydd y stream nesa, cos dwi yn Birmingham, NEC fory. So... So yeah, so... Google tips. Yeah. Na, dwi di... So be, o'n i'n meddwl amdano hyn, o'n i angen technical... Os amser gwell i cael technical chief of staff a head of aerodynamics newydd, na ail ras y season. Best time. Best time of the year. O, ti'n dod yna. Ti a Joan dod yna. Ideal. Wylech chi yna. So... Yeah. So dwi'n mwyn... Ooh, performance targets. Yeah. Let's fucking do it. Let's do it. Fastest lap. Save. And guidance. Yeah, ideal. So, yeah, wel i di na. Dydy, neu ddim gwch di na, ond fyddwn ni'n ôl di llun. Reading. Beth sy'n Reading? Cyn i ni fynd, be am googlo bob dim am Reading? Weithio'n John Lewis, Reading. Yna posh.
Give me your carbon, bitch.
Is Reading UK posh? Reading is rarely top of one's list of desirable. Let's move to Reading, Berkshire. Torytown. Big ugly. Na'n dech yn neis do? Un yn posh yndi. Pam nes di fwtio amdan Theresa May dal badan? Dysgu gwell. Reading's history. Gyn Theresa May tu yn Dolgella. A di prynu holiday home yn Dolgella. Oh my god, ti'n Kate Middleton. I'm just... Na, dwi'n yn llosgu tai ha. Dwi'n yn llosgu tai ha. Na, dwi heb di llosgu tai ha. Terms of service. Dwi heb. Dwi si literally dweud o'n i heb. Good place, Reading. Iawn, oce, digon. O, dych chi'n mwyn gweld beth dwi'n gweld yma, ydych? Anyway. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Neu fel pobl dwi'n gweld fori, a neu siarad efo rest y llun. O'n i really meddwl sy'n cael point yn y ras yna. O'n i really meddwl that dwi'n gwachod F1 nes blynyddoedd, ddod fi just cael point a long season. So, yeah. Wyl i chi. Goodbye.